trying to be vlogging. My husband is there. The ocean is there of whole Boulevard. Very hot today. And then there is I love Surigao, like that. This is my place, the city of Surigao. I never regret I'm here, even though it's not really perfect, but ang sarap niyang balikan. I am another to my husband, kaya parang I find my own, alam mo na, nag-iba-iba na yung mga tao, yung gusto nila. Tapos Chinibib, yun na nga, malapit na kami sa hotel namin. And the husband is there. Iniisip niyo, I'm alone, the people is there. Yan oh, malapit na ang pista talaga. Nag-vlogs ako dahil gusto ko. The compilation of my own experience. I love it. Pagdating ko talaga dito, naguguluhan na silang lahat sa nangyayari sa buhay ko. But anyway, that's life. You must be survive. I don't know what's the life I have up to. Hindi kaya madaling mag OFW. Dito basta dito sa boulevard na to, in the night iba. Basta ito sila may mga flag. Ito yung dagat. Guys, dito na lang ako. Maraming salamat. Bye.